with this, bro,
Brother,
at upon Uno, bro.
From Alkaline jump out, brother, from 2013, 14. From 2014. He not ease up, fam.
So they have this narrative where them run with say Masicka a stream more on Spotify than Alkaline. You understand what I say? And that is a fucking lie.
In a Barclays Center is not a normal thing for a young artist like a Alkaline. You get me I say? And in a dance hall, me not even sure if you have 5 or 6 artists who can actually do that by themselves.
Rick, if you promote and market yourself the right way, you can follow the Barclays. And millions of Jamaicans living in that area, Rick. The New York metropolitan area, millions, Rick. And forget 20,000 people coming to Barclays. You have to remember, say, most of them people are new chars. So if you market and invest the money, people can fill out that arena. But
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I feel the songs, brother, about that. Oh, yeah,
but
You never carry out 6,000 people at Hero Yata.
Enough people have catalog that can full Barclays, brother. But is that most artists now go do that because the level of marketing required.
Oh my God.
Your artists are do music professionally 2 years before Alkaline even come on the scene. You claim for say Alkaline do 2 years and then go rest after that. And your artist been hot since him boss. That you saying up until now.
Yeah.
And him still no bigger than Alkaline. Him still can pull more than Alkaline. Him no have a single on him page. Where even do half the number Alkaline most viewed song.
In a year mind
you're very pathetic with your argument,
you
general.
still don't have a song bigger than White. I won't even go to it and run, brother.
Bro,
That's what I show you, say some man just free like some little kids. That's what I say. Them bring in a matches box. That's what I say. Me not made your bridging. You see me? Because if you really check the statistics of the ratio, them are rugrat to win in every category.
Peter, go do Mascot first. So this is Mascot, the artist that is signed to a major label. You understand? So in total streams is 1.8 billion. And we can see the breakdown, we'll click on it. Majority of the streams are come from YouTube, which is 1.2 million, almost 1.3 billion, I should say. And then Spotify have 480 million total streams per Spotify.
I'll let the title of youngest leave me. The baddest will still remain, see me?
Yeah?
Yeah, man, a real thing, man.
See that Masicka's total streams per Spotify is 481 million. Is Masicka's total streams per Spotify.
So you have more mature songs then?
Yeah, bro.
Dog now have one single. We go over 50 million views, sorry. Dog now have one single, you know. In a all females. Listen, hold on, make my little point. Dance all live at Spotify alone neither. So let me just get my point across.
Now let's go to our artists who fall off when on a major label. Here is Alkaline. Alkaline have a total of 2.5 billion. You understand? Now let's break down the Spotify.
I just like the idea of vendetta. You saw me I say because watch it. I just make my own meaning to it. As vendetta we believe in self. You saw me I say we do one thing and nobody can really tell we how to operate. You saw me I say we have a system of our own.
You see what I go on this now?
Yep. 344K daily.
So watch ya. So out of the 952K monthly listeners where we have. Remember him have 1.3 now. Out of that
1.34, yeah.
We are stream 344,000 times daily. We are stream more than him. And look for our total streams. 675 million. What was this again? We can go back to it. We'll go back to Femon. 481
million.
God have mercy upon us. So the newbies got invited to the party, and all of a sudden, them things say a for them party. Them things say a for them birthday. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside with Nando. You know it's your boss Nando in our building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So in this vlog today, this debate ends right here, right now. So the crux them a kick up a storm. I say them a lead Alkaline in all categories, in all areas. Them say them a lead Alkaline on Spotify numbers. Now, me don't know if them mistaking monthly listeners for streams, why them claim to say them a lead Alkaline in a numbers or them a stream better than Alkaline. So, here on the screen, on see two numbers, two sets of numbers. We have 481 million, which is Masicka's number, and we have 675 million, which is Alkaline's number. And in this vlog, we will be exposing the crux that they are nothing more than a baby crux. Them just get invited to the party and I exalt themselves like say them around the street. No, because Masicka get him little at and him a get him little momentum now in him career. Them a go on. Well, him fans, them a go on like say he's the biggest or he's the man of all man, viewers and subscribers. So, in this vlog, we will be exposing the crux. Well, clucks, should I say. So, we will be exposing the crux and I will bring forth to you one of my compadre, Shinji, who will be exposing the crux on Spotify with all numbers, all data, and all analysis, viewers and subscribers. So, before we expose the crux them, we're going to make them embarrass themselves by playing a clippings with them and Rick Star. My brother who goes by the name of G-Side crux him name. Him a chat up a bag of thing, a chat up a bag of storm. I say, oh, him disappointed with Alkaline because Alkaline do 2 years in a dancehall or dominate 2 years and then it's like Alkaline just drop flat. I mean, I say, Jaja, not even upon Alkaline's worst day, the crux them can dominate or match up to Alkaline's numbers, viewers and subscribers. So, yeah, we're going to play the clippings there for them and expose them. And for all of the crux them, classes in session. Forward to the front line. This is a class here. You need for the in that class here. You need for the... And for all of the class them you ever skull. Yeah, don't skull them class there. But you see that class here. You need for the in that class here. Please. All of the baby crux them forward to the front line. So viewers and subscribers, before further ado, make sure so you like, subscribe and share and hit that post notification bell. So whenever I drop a new video, you guys can be the first to be notified. So that one year, as I say, all debates ends right here. For proof say, the crux is no match for Alkaline. The crux them say, them a lead Alkaline in a shows, them a lead Alkaline in a songs, them a lead Alkaline in a impact, and me I wonder when, where, how. But viewers and subscribers, you don't know it go. Torture never stop. So, without further ado, make we kick off the vlog like this.
But when I say, me general, I say, yeah, me hear where I say about interviews and blah, blah, blah. But that at least are the thing, me general. You get me, I say?
No,
yeah, and at the end of the day, as me say, you do where you need to do until you can do what you want. I think Alkaline, they at a level now where even if you go up on the interview, go steer upon the host, it now go really change up because after the interview, him go at the new rules and the new rules was successful. So that goes to just show you say it not really matter.
No, me agree with that, no. Them something that is secondary.
And if him not do an interview for almost a decade, it means that him could have gone forever and not do none at all.
That is true. But these things that I bring up is secondary now. My main point would be from 2020, brother, this man now give the level of production that was seen from him in 2016 through 18. And that's the main thing, you know. Them interview and them something there's some secondary thing, you know. But the level of work we there get from Alkaline, them time there. It's like from 2020 we see a dramatic shift down, like the man. Ever since him done the war with six them.
It's bigger than him.
Brother, what you mean?
Me say,
we're gonna have this debate again.
Sit down here, man.
We're gonna have this debate again.
Stop
Stop switch the argument now, bro. What
No,
may I
wait.
say, Rick?
So you
From
want to Masicka bigger
2020,
Alkaline, my general?
brother, we're not switch the argument, brother. We done establish
Okay.
that already. When it reached
Establish
2020,
what
Rick,
already?
hear me,
Establish what
man.
already?
We were getting a level of output from Alkaline from 2016 to 18, 19, bro. When 2020 is like, I don't know what, brother. The production level just drop off.
So this a crux man I say from 2020 Alkaline's production level drop off. So I could really sip on Spotify to see if Masicka is really streaming more than Alkaline. Because viewers, as we all know that YouTube's platform is a bot. It's a bot system platform where views can be bought and manipulated. So let's see on Spotify to see if Masicka is really doing better than Alkaline since the production level for Alkaline has dropped drastically. Now, Masicka is a signed label artist, viewers and subscribers. So the label put Masicka into playlists where they amongst the biggest of the biggest international acts. So let's really see how Masicka and Alkaline are do pan Spotify. Let's see.
Yeah, man, I pay for the professional account. You know what I say? $100 a month. You know what I say? All right. So see what I go on now. So they have this narrative for them run with say Masicka a stream more on Spotify than Alkaline. You understand what I say? And that is a fucking lie. It's a fucking lie. And the reason why I'm pay for this, I don't know if Jamar there, I'm still over shitstorm. But over shitstorm deal. And him up there with one crux, and I just be that the crux are draw to. Oh, Spotify, we are do this on Spotify. And that on Spotify, blah blah blah. I'm still say, you know what? I'm still say, boom, swipe the card and pay for the subscription. I'm enter the rated StreamYard black stage.
You know, and let him block you.
Rick Stamp citizenship.
I'm block you. I foresee that.
The dog turn off all him camera.
I'm block you.
No, he don't block me, but the dog left my black stage. The dog left my black stage out there for dry dog.
Bro, the man them too emotional and them feelings bad, man.
Brother, me I feel say dog, and I will think me not go up there for do I just correct the narrative, you know, because the man up there say Alkaline only do 3 shows last year. Alkaline only do 3 shows a year.
Bro, me wonder where them man live, dog. I found the rock.
Dog, hear me I say, alright, but people, quick thing, because I don't want to interrupt the whole program too much. Although on topic still, because the artists we are talking about. This is the data. This is the data. Now, look. Alkaline. Spotify. So when you watch this now, a matter of fact, make it more sweeter. Go do Mascot first. So this is Mascot, the artist that is signed to a major label. You understand? So in total streams is 1.8 billion. I can see the breakdown, we'll click on it. Majority of the streams are come from YouTube, which is 1.2 million, almost 1.3 billion, I should say. And then Spotify have 480 million total streams per Spotify. So when we break it down and go directly to Spotify, right here, so we see that Masicka's total streams per Spotify is 800. Zoom it in. Is 481 million. Is Masicka's total streams per Spotify. A monthly listeners, what them always a brag about, is 1.3. You understand? Now, here's the kicker. Let's break down the streams. The 481 million streams, total streams we have. Him get 292,000 daily streams. Remember the number there, you know.
292K daily, okay.
292 him get daily. Now let's go to our artists we fall off when on a major label. Here is Alkaline. Alkaline have a total of 2.5 billion. You understand? Now let's break down the Spotify. You see what I go on this now?
Yep. 344K daily.
So watch ya. So out of the 952K monthly listeners where we have, remember him have 1.3, you know? Out of that,
1.34, yeah.
we are stream 344,000 times daily. We are stream more than him. And look for our total streams. 675 million. What was this again? We can go back to it. We'll go back to Femon. 481.
81 million. Not even
And we
half a
have
million.
exactly.
Half a million.
And we have 675. So when you hear the idiot crooks them out here tell people, say, them a stream more than we on Spotify. I lie, them a blood clot tell. Them a tell lie. But thank God Vendetta have money we can pay for expensive subscriptions.
Even when they use the K-War, you can see it. But because the matter about month listeners, they don't understand month listeners how that set up. They don't see it and think say, yeah man, we have more month listeners, so we have more streams. That month listeners I don't mean say you have more streams, or they actually listen to your catalog. Alkaline 952,000 month listener is even more powerful and potent than Masicka 1.34, because that 952 whatever is streaming Alkaline's catalog, that 1.34 Masicka we just streaming from Shensi Asang or the Big Body Benz or the collab them. You see the difference? So them now really are tune into Masicka catalog, you know.
No, but watch this too. Remember, being signed to a major label, the label are push him.
Yeah.
Pan them playlist here, See him total playlist there. See it here.
Okay, wow, 3,962. God damn.
3,962. Remember, I'm signed to a major label in a deal. We are pushing him, 3,962. See our independent artists here.
Hold on. 3,459.
So our major artists here. So our independent artists there. So our independent artists there.
So you mean for tell me, say, the crooks them out here are create them own narrative for feel better about themselves, saying that them bigger than Alkaline. Brother, on which side of the bed on the wake up on? On which side of the bed on the sleep on? Crooks. Baby crooks. Forward to your front eye class, man. Baby crooks. You mean for tell me, say, Masicka's monthly listeners are 1.3 million and Alkaline's monthly listeners are 952K, and uno still now get more daily streams than Alkaline. I'm asking, with that 1.34 million monthly listeners, not even half of that monthly listeners uno can get as daily streams, 292K daily streams, and Alkaline with 952K monthly listeners, I get 344K daily streams. You can't make this shit up. And the crooks them say them a lead Alkaline enough. Me I wonder which part them a lead Alkaline. Viewers and subscribers, please do remember that Masicka is a signed artist to a major label, where the label are putting me in a whole heap of playlist. Them a put feed music in a whole lot of playlists. Masicka's playlist them and 3,962 playlists Masicka Dana, with Alkaline having 3,459 playlists, and Masicka is still not streaming better than Alkaline on Spotify. And this crooks man ya say Alkaline nah do nothing. Alkaline career dwindle down from 2020. Me I wonder which part, where, when, how. Charger God. Crooks, you know, I get a piece of blood cleat torture there, because you know things say you know reach somewhere when you no reach nowhere. Me hear the brother say anybody can sell out an arena. Anybody can just market and sell out an arena. Me have to laugh, dog. Me I go make you hear me now, but him say once an artist promote or market an arena show where them all sell out, it all easy to sell out. Me hear the man say him rather him artist go in front of 60 to 50,000 people where a festival. Him not him now want him artist for sell out no 20,000 arena by himself. Him rather him artist stay in a festival where 50 to 60,000 people where him no pulling up, where him no pull, where a bundle deal artist depend it, one bag of artists. But him no want him artist sell out no arena with no 20,000. I tell you no say, you see the New Roots Arena show, it all shut down all conversations, because the crooks them have heart attack out here, heartburn, viewers and subscribers. But me I go play it, I make you hear what brother say. And as me tell you now, Alkaline's monthly listeners, 952K against Masicka, 1.34 million viewers and subscribers. And him still now outdo Alkaline in a daily streams. And him still don't have a total stream against Alkaline, over Alkaline. Alkaline's total stream is 675. Masicka's total stream is 481 million viewers and subscribers. So, match up that for me, no man.
But that I do more numbers than at least 10 times sang them with him dropping in the past 2 years.
Yes.
So me I try if I say, me not understand what I say. It I do more number. Me can dig up 10 songs in the past 2 years. I say 2 years ago, that song they were attack,
Yeah, I know the song, but yeah, shift the debate though, Jabbar.
No, me general, me I try to show you say with the easy, well, you say we are easy. And how you are put it. We can't have a song where I do better than at least 10 a year song them in the past 2 years, Mikila.
Mad Love a 3 or 4 years ago.
He just want to win the argument. Hear me and say, and you know, ask the right question.
No, but hold on, Rick, hold on, before you move.
Just ask you again. If it's a case where Alkaline did it so fast, where it's like, it look like him a move slow to how him do it fast.
No, him
because
do it
because from a like musical politics, me understand say you man I say right, but me not really understand what I say outside of that, because as me say, when it comes on to
I'm not politics, man. Me wouldn't say something there,
No, but me I say when it comes on to a artist, the main objective is to bring your career to the furthest point where you can bring it. So would you say year to year your Alkaline career get bigger or smaller?
From 2020, when I see that output there, hit music, Rick, that me I look on. Because we expect a certain amount of hit music from him, and it stopped after 2020.
Then I answer me thing, man. When you have Jamari attack, you answer so, brother. I say Alkaline career overall. If you feel like him career get bigger or get bigger,
I don't think it get. No, I don't think it get bigger. Cause the song them not dead. I'm not giving a whole heap of song. I just him last.
So you all right. So at this moment, so you I say Alkaline like doing like 5,000, 6,000 till him doing 10,000. Till him doing 12,000, going up to 19,000. Wouldn't you say him career I get bigger?
Well, the show them, you have to remember, especially that England show there. The man not got England for 8 years. So him artificially create a scarcity. So when them go there, it wouldn't be a problem for sell out the arena. But shows in itself don't necessarily mean say your career will grow. You just market yourself better and I use strategy.
Appear madness him attack,
No,
but
brother, if you know how to market,
years. You
can market yourself and float a stadium.
General, because that not really, I not have to really rush him. I can't make him talk, because I am saying fine. Him not go England, fine, but I am saying Alkaline in America every day, here, there, and everywhere. And when me look at Barclays Center, me see him face the pan.
Yeah, because Rick, I remember.
And I am saying, in a Barclays Center is not a normal thing for a young artist like a Alkaline. You get me I say? And in a dance hall, me not even sure if you have 5 or 6 artists who can actually do that by themselves.
So that brother you say, Alkaline's career no grow from his point of view, viewers and subscribers. he must say Alkaline's career no grow. And me constantly ask this question. If Masicka's career is bigger than Alkaline's career or surpassed Alkaline's career, why isn't Masicka pulling the type of crowds Alkaline is pulling out here, viewers and subscribers? Real talk, real question may I ask. Why hasn't Masicka pulling the crowd Alkaline is pulling? And another question more I ask, viewers and subscribers. Should an artist's musical number transcend to real fan support or real people coming out to watch you perform or to see you perform? Shouldn't the artists who get the millions of stream pull out a massive amount of crowd? So, by the Crux's standpoint or standard of where them are, where them are say Masicka bigger than Alkaline by numbers, I'm guessing. So if they're saying Masicka is bigger than Alkaline, why no promoter reach out to Masicka for pull no crowd in an arena? Why no promoter no reach out to Masicka? Last year, Alkaline was booked for the Reggae Fest viewers and subscribers. And here we have Alkaline going back into the Barclays Center people. So the brother has said because of scarcity, Alkaline could be able to sold out the Wembley Arena in the UK because he hasn't been there for 8 years. And we have Alkaline now. Hey, so them genocide, so them genocide fans are delusional on a different level. But more time we have to laugh, but more time we have to school them said speed viewers and subscribers. So the man has say Alkaline no go a UK for 8 years so the people them come out to see him because of scarcity and him know how to market himself. So I'm saying that Alkaline was booked for Reggae Fest last year, not even long ago, but late last year, viewers and subscribers. And Alkaline is going back there by himself as a solo act, the youngest dancehall artist to sell out the Barclays Center because no young acts has ever done it from dancehall. So Alkaline will be the youngest dancehall act to sell out the Barclays Center. And this crux man when he G-side, delusional as F, viewers and subscribers. I say Masicka, Alkaline's career dwindled down. Alkaline's career not depend the level where it used to be. And I'm saying this to say that, viewers and subscribers, Alkaline, who has been past the phase of where Masicka just a reach right now in his career, it's after it's classic after classic songs, viewers and subscribers. And this is why Alkaline is able to sell out the arena because he have a catalog for himself. And Masicka and Alkaline has been in dancehall for quite amount of time now. Roughly the same amount of time, or Masicka has been in the game more than Alkaline. Masicka been in the game for about 15 years, and this year will make the 13th years of Alkaline within the dancehall space. So Masicka been in dancehall for 15 years. And he's yet to sold out his first arena. And Alkaline is going on to his second arena. But this Cruxman is on this platform saying that Masicka is bigger than Alkaline. And I'm still asking the question, where, when, how? In all categories, Alkaline is beating Masicka. Alkaline is beating Masicka on Spotify. Alkaline is beating Masicka on YouTube. Hey, if you check all the YouTube numbers, Alkaline is beating Masicka there. Alkaline is beating Masicka on Audio Mac. Alkaline is beating Masicka with impact, viewers and subscribers. He's beating Masicka with stage shows. Me I wonder which part Crux a beat Masicka. Wow, the local hotness of Crux get now them feel like say them reach and them above Alkaline. No dog, them Crux man are delusional, you freak. This should be a disrespect to Alkaline, as what Alkaline say. Them want compare me, I'm like, oh, feel me deserve an apology right now. This is a disrespect to Alkaline. If you compare Masicka to Alkaline when him a rugrat in every category to the DJ. Or if you want to compare Alkaline to Masicka, I shouldn't even indulge in them conversation. But you know, it is for promotional purposes. Alkaline New Rules is around the corner. But we have to school the crooks them cause them look like them a skull school or them a skull class. Crooks only need for God class and stop skull class.
Overachieve in the dog.
48K, brother. You're a madman, deal.
That's overachieve, bro. Hold on. We are going to corrupt it thing now. We are going to corrupt it. Alright. We are going to go for a Masicka so-called hit song versus one Alkaline so-called flap song. Pull up trophies and pull up Blanco.
Trophies and pull up Blanco.
Yeah, pull up trophies and Blanco.
Media Fox today I check in.
Pull up Blanco now.
Una so I go on this deal?
Yeah, 744.
The deal if you call out the number to the
We sang that.
Trophies.
Oh, 744,925.
What you say now, young lad?
And Blanco. I can even use if them ever, if you want. Fuck it, use if them ever. Cause if them ever, use if them ever. Streams are by
1 million.
views
42,000.
and when the trophy supposedly have almost 10 million views on YouTube.
Man, fan base upon YouTube.
Brandon B is not that song stats now track it properly, brother. It look like some fuckery are going with the same thing like with Fleek. Where the song them have multiple different UPCs, dog.
Yeah, that
to my Brandon. The song them have multiple UPCs. Kerry did acknowledge it, brother. Something what them need for fix. Some of them need for fix. And I said that now to Brandon, make places like even the RIAA can't properly track how much sales the song them have.
I think when Top Price is jam, me hear Sylvia talk about an issue with that because like some Top Price numbers never did account as we CV. So I think remember about 5 years.
The UPC, them number them need for fix up. You see it? The struggle is real as an independent artist in a Brandon. You know, have no big label what can do all of them shit if you know. You see me?
That's a lot. But this just a showcase, yo, the dog. People see dog music and somebody have 400,000 more monthly listeners, but
where you say Brandon says static.
Yeah.
Brandon, why can't I join the panel? It
static of 4 point something million.
How much white
you can pull it up though.
Yeah, it's static here. Almost 5 million.
Yeah, I think remember it was static. I wish song them a compare to use a song from 2022 too.
Good night, gentlemen. Good night.
Mandela.
Yeah. Bless up.
Up. Shinji, use a song from 2022 for Masicka.
Young lad, I hear me.
Yeah, Masicka can hear.
Batman, we don't know when Masicka song them come out in a Batman.
I try to think of one. Use Umbrella come out in a late 2022, I think. Umbrella.
Hold on. Yeah. Me there, me watch what go on. Shinji.
Yeah, man, sexism. I know the young lad full of.
Young lad, I hear me. Relax now, bro. I'm go through, man. Shinji.
Yeah.
Hey, it's a wicked thing when they can buy the views them on YouTube, you know. Watch out.
Blood clad, deny your man that's friend.
Well,
make man bounce, man lose the truck and bounce on my youth.
Yo.
Hold on. We
Mandela
just
go to Mandela.
Man.
People, when they say it's a wicked thing when they can buy the views them on YouTube.
India badness.
Mandela bounce on the truck.
Blanco have more than that over Spotify. Now Blanco have about 1.6, I think.
A serious thing me I talk about now, brother.
Yeah, man, talk Mandela.
Because me no know what kind of witchcraft app this a Shinji go find, you know. Because I mean, if you tell me, say, Masicka have how much millions of views on YouTube and every song when drop a hit. And then now connect over Spotify where the cooks them are brag about. And we there now where Shinji go pay his premium subscription. And Masicka last in the water. What's going on?
So Mandela, ask yourself a serious question now. Why you think that is?
Hey, me know say narrative is a hell of a thing, you know, brother. This guy is barely achieving, you know, brother.
Young lad, me curious now about Blanco, dog.
Blanco have about 1.6. But Mandela, at this we always attack whenever I come on to numbers, dog, Masicka doing in the conversation, can compare him overall streams with Dexter Daps, and Dexter Daps probably a beat him. I'm sure if you have facts that Dexter I beat him on Spotify. And we know that Charlie Blacks I beat him.
So basically,
I beat him.
So the problem is because he's the favorite, people like whatever them say goes for him, everything in Jabba hit. But when people when they not check like this for Shinji, I do you know? Why may I tell you?
But numbers are not Mandela, you know why some of them things so. You remember last year when La Cabra dropped. La Cabra isn't a hit, but people say it a hit. And you know say about the big go party in October, and them big commercial party in Jamaica. You know say them play La Cabra.
Which song for Dexter Daps you want to pull up? Like you drop the same
Dexter beat him Shinji. Without it and run, Masicka don't have a case against Dexter Daps. So you can pull up anyone at Dexter top 5 song. Masicka lose. Because
alright, the top one is Shabba Mother Part, it look like.
Shabba Mother Part supposed to beat it and run. That's a fucked up part.
No man.
Run it against Spotify numbers against Shabba Mother Part. See what I mean? He beat it and run.
No man, it and run they never have more than this one. Never have more than 56 million.
Run it and you're gonna see.
Spotify?
Yeah. Me I tell you, bro, like I would not say your conscience have crossover songs. So it don't even make sense. They go for conscience and Charles Blacks. Because Charles Blacks have a song over there with chosen admin.
But Shinji, you know the messed up thing I know?
Yeah.
Alright, you see when them don't have the data from Spotify, you see like where Cox them just say Masicka do better over there, so it's like you pull it up now and I show it. Yeah, what am I gonna say? Well,
blood young lad, right, you know?
Me tell you that you're dirty young lad. Remember say I want no purpose boss pan.
So how them say young lad have no purpose?
but alright, so Shinji, you know what I'll be the talking point you know? Yeah. Even though Alkaline do better with the song them over here and everything. Them are gonna say well in song then and play and in no impact in the dance.
No Mandela. No Mandela, man they gonna say the old song them a stream. No I new one them not stream. But we pull up 2024 song against Masicka 2024 song them and Alka somewhere do better over Spotify.
Blood clot, young lad, what them saying on a purpose?
That's what I just say.
They are tell me say the song where I boost him up. Where him only sing for 8 seconds. Shabba Mother Part have more stream than it, dog.
Yeah, dog. Remember say
Shabba Mother ideal. Come on, bro. The phone in my hand and I just pop up budgie in my face, bro. Why you do that, bro?
But Shinji, you should know Shabba Mother Part is that kind of song. And if Masicka never do that, get that 8 seconds up on it and you know. A trouble would have been female time.
Long yard.
Without it and him compete with Skeng, you know.
Young lad, me have to stop you. Stop the bad minding, bro. Remember, say the man them say a Masicka give Sensia a hit song. Remember, say them say.
Yes, that's exactly what I say.
That was it. Don't forget about it.
Bullshit.
Bolade Mandela. Oh, Masicka figure Shensia hit song when it run is not even our top streaming song.
And that media
well on man, Shinji. That the man them say, you know. They live them do over shitstorm and over him at you know. The man them say, when Shensia want back a buzz in the dance hall, you know, see, have Masicka them have to run to.
So, one of the reasons why Masicka have 1.34 million monthly listeners It is because of the collaborations that he does with artists, viewers, and subscribers. One of the biggest collaborations on Masicka's Spotify is the collaboration that he did with Shensia, which gave him the 1.34 million monthly listeners, viewers, and subscribers. But here's the thing, viewers and subscribers. Shensia has bigger songs than It and Run that is on her Spotify's account, and she has more monthly listeners than Masicka. So when you see trick this up, Alkaline is an independent artist. When I do a whole heap of collaboration, I think the two collaboration that's on Alkaline's Spotify is the one with Western Texting and the other one with A Boogie, the Nonchalant, and those two songs aren't even bigger than Alkaline's solo song, which is on fleek, viewers and subscribers, if you get what I say. So Masicka's biggest song is a collaboration with Shensia. All his solo songs aren't able to match up to Alkaline's solo song. His biggest song is the collaboration with Shensia, and the other one is the collaboration that he did with the Germany artist when he named Big Body Benz. So that is the biggest song Masicka have on Spotify, which gave him the 1.34 million monthly listeners. But the crux them out here thinking that 1.3 million monthly listeners is what makes them think Alkaline or Masicka is streaming more than Alkaline viewers and subscribers. But what I want to know is, Masicka, y'all get all of these streams, monthly listeners, but you not reflect on the friggin' daily streams. It's not reflecting on the daily streams. And the next thing, viewers and subscribers, Masicka is getting all these YouTube views, but it's not reflecting over on Spotify. As you know, just see, one of Masicka songs, song named Trophy, got 74,000 streams on Spotify, and a song with them would have said, I know it for Alkaline, if them ever, has 1.7 million streams. Jesus God, you can't make this up. You cannot make this up. Viewers and subscribers, you know, so me a show no say whatever them out here create, the narratives where them out here create for save Masicka live in the dancehall space for make it look like Masicka going with anything spectacular. It's a lie. It's all smoking mirrors, viewers and subscribers. It's smoke screen for make it look like some Masicka is doing anything spectacular. It is smoke screen. So whenever you hear people that say Masicka is the future, I'm guessing the reason why they must say Masicka the future is because him career just took off. Him career just took off within the space of dancehall where the newer young artists them forward. So Masicka career really a mix with the new artists them right now. So as I say, it should be disrespected or disrespectful if you compare Alkaline to Masicka, because Masicka is nowhere on Alkaline's level, if you want to get what me I say, viewers and subscribers. Masicka, some of Masicka's Spotify songs don't even bigger than even Valiant Spotify songs. One of Valiant solo song bigger than Masicka's solo song, and Masicka's solo song on his Spotify has 13 million. And you want to know what that song is, viewers and subscribers? They don't know. They don't know is Masicka's biggest solo song on Spotify. If you don't want to know, you go check. If you don't want to know, you go check. But the crux them and some people where they pan payroll for Masicka are forward out and say, oh, Masicka is the biggest thing since sliced bread. Lie or not tell out your dog. Lie.
Vegas, even Vegas, well, no man, even Vegas, if him have a young artist, boss, $2 million for spend, and Masicka, him get him pan a collab with. Remember, some Masicka give Romeo and Virgo hit song, you know?
That's
Masicka, the man, stop bad mind the man.
Look here, Mandela. Look, 4Play have more stream than it run.
Bumbo crack.
And I
Singing
send you a
anthem
song
too,
this
I
part
think.
by herself.
I think singing anthem too.
So how?
But Shinji, that me they say you can't say a Masicka gear the song, a Masicka never go nowhere near this. So I don't make the point and man them say me chat too much.
But my thing is, right, for a man to be giving so much people heads up.
Bumbo clock. Watch your Mandela. Look for Sheng Yang anthem.
Yeah, man, a big song that, man.
He sells
Oh,
silver.
God.
Sells silver over there.
Look for Sheng Yang
over
anthem.
UK.
91 million bomb.
Hey, let me say it. I'm gonna say it now. I am, well, me not dream, but I am optimistic that I think Shinzi gonna be a very feared vlogger on the YouTube street. Once any of him start do them type of data vlogging.
No, brother, me and a vlog on my youth.
With this, bro,
Brother,
at upon Ulu, bro.
from Alkaline jump out, brother, from 2013, 14. From 2014. Him na ease up from.
Okay, so it's at the same output you get from them time to know.
No, where you not getting is the growth. You get me? The growth, bro.
So the growth mean less productivity.
It mean more better song, cause him fan base grew with him. Song for older people. You get me? You know, get the girl a ton of devil again. You see,
So you have more mature songs then.
Yeah, bro.
Dog now have one single. We go over 50 million views, sir. Dog now have one single, you know. In a all females. Listen, hold on, make my little point. Dance and live a Spotify alone neither. So let me just get my point across. Your artists are do music professionally 2 years before Alkaline even come on the scene. You claim for say Alkaline do 2 years and then go rest after that. And your artist been hot since him boss. That you saying up until now.
Yeah.
And him still no bigger than Alkaline. Him still can pull more than Alkaline. Him no have a single on him page where even do half the number Alkaline most viewed song.
In a year mind
you're very pathetic with your argument,
you
general.
still don't have a song bigger than Whites. I won't even go to it and run, brother.
Bro, Formula bigger than Whites, brother.
Formula bigger than Whites,
dog.
So it is safe to say Masicka just start out in his career, dog. It really is safe to say Masicka just start do music. So viewers and subscribers, this genocide man say Alkaline don't have no song in his catalog were bigger than Whites. If me laugh, me pop up the blood clean. The man say Masicka White song bigger than every song in the Alkaline catalog. And him don't even have to talk about it and run. The man them a clutch for it and run your fuck. But viewers and subscribers, White only have 11 million on Spotify. And me not have to talk about the big song with Alkaline have on Spotify on Fleek. Me can talk about Extra Lesson. Extra Lesson bigger than Whites by far. Formula bigger than Whites by far. Pretty Girl Team bigger than Whites by far. What is the crux getting to? Hey, me tell you, say delusion is a hell of a thing for crux them, viewers and subscribers. I wanna know, say, you see Barclays Center March 21st, a whole heap of crash out we are going to see on the internet. Because what? You see, the numbers on the songs them, they actually reflect on the shows them. Unlike Masicka, we have the numbers them on YouTube and them now reflect on Spotify and also not reflecting on the shows or the pulling power. Alkalines shows them are reflect and Alkalines numbers them are reflect on the shows themselves. Yeah, genocide fans, them will have a whole lot more crashing out to do and a whole lot more teaching and class to attend. So don't go and bite up on yourself and eat up on yourself about Masicka bigger than Alkaline. Stay dreaming. It's probably in the next life, dog. It's definitely probably in the next life, genocide fans, dog. Yo, them genocide money are delusional. As myself, viewers and subscribers, the debates end today and until March 21st we have a lot more tortures to do, and after March 21st we have a whole lot more tortures to do because the genocide fans them are clutch at straws, as straws them are clutch at them bend or them artists can't pull out 15 to 20,000 in our arena, so them a find problem. And I say shows don't mean nothing to songs, and I'm saying shouldn't an artist Do the music from the earlier stages of him career and sell out the arenas them in later on in him career. Me I wonder. Shouldn't the artist be selling out arenas also or pulling out a massive crowd after the songs them made them impact? So because Alkaline laid his seed or he plants his seed and now he's reaping from his harvest where he can pull out massive amount of people in the arena. The genocide fans them have a problem with it. Them a ball and I say Alkaline career dwindle down, Alkaline career dead out from 2020 because Alkaline did it so quick and so easy while them a struggle to do what Alkaline do. Them a wonder, oh, Alkaline do it so fast, so easy. Alkaline put out so many hit songs from them jump out on the scene and the Cruxman them were there on the scene before Alkaline have a struggle. You know say Masicka career really just start take off from 2020. I wonder if you don't know that. Masicka recent songs them not even fans them no remember it. The only hit song when Masicka did have at one point before Whites was They Don't Know Him story reviewers and subscribers. So them I wonder, oh, Alkaline do it so fast, so quick. That type problem, you know. And that's why the crux them can't phantom how Alkaline do it so fast, so easy. But viewers and subscribers, we have a whole heap more tortures to give, but we are going to save that for a later date, viewers and subscribers. You don't know what's going on. Our vibes and inside with Nanda with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So I will be catching you on another one. I'm out thing. Peace. I'm out. What good.
That's what I show you say some man just free like some little kids. That's what I say. Them bring in a matches box. That's what I say. Me not made the bridging. You see me? Because if you really check the statistics of the ratio, them are rug rat to win in every category. You see what I say? What make you think I say to him?